So here we'll do a quick overview of Cinema 4D and some of the main features we'll be using in the class. So if we click on this blue cube at the top here, we'll create a cube. Click on the arrows to move it along the y-axis here, or the x-axis, or the z-axis. You can also sort of click on these arrows here to combine two axes together and sort of move it along in that particular space like that. So that's how you use the move tool and how you create a cube. We'll just click on the cube here and delete that. So if you click and hold the cube button here, you've got a whole bunch of objects which you can create in this space. So things like cones, cylinders, spheres. We'll just click on the plane here just to show you how we can manipulate these objects. So we can change the width, we can change the height, and you'll see it change automatically there. We can change however many segments that we want inside the plane. So to zoom in and out, you use the mouse wheel, and like so. And then to pan across, you hold down the Alt key and click and drag the middle mouse button. And then to rotate around, you hold the Alt key and click and drag the mouse button like so. If you click the middle mouse button, 4 windows will appear like this, and you can see different views of the space. So top, side, left and right, and your overview like so. So that's it for now. In the next lesson we'll go through how to import your images into Cinema 4D so that we can start modeling your low poly wolf. See you then.